Welcome back to Sportkick Updates. In this video, Sportkick gives you the latest update on the photo finish for the Champions League spot in the Premier League. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe and stay updated. Premier League champions Liverpool are the only club certain of the place in the next season's Champions League. Manchester City would have been the second club, but they are awaiting for the court ruling. If City's appeal fail, 5th place would be good enough for the riches of Champions League football next season. When it comes to 5th, the Premier League restart have tightened the race for the top 5 finish. Leicester City, who were sitting quite comfortably at 3rd, had a very bad start since the lockdown. Goals have dried up for the Brendan Rodgers men, with Vardy finding his form back to get them on track again. Their sorrow can continue as they face tough end to the campaign with Sheffield United, Tottenham and the final day clash with Manchester United to come. Leicester are now 4th with 59 points. Chelsea were flying high, but the Frank Lampard's men were brought back down to earth with a bang in a 3-2 defeat at West Ham, followed by a narrow win against Crystal Palace made them sit at 3rd position. Failure to qualify for the Champions League will be a huge blow for the Chelsea Football Club and fans after signing Timo Werner and Hakim Ziyech. Upcoming games for the Chelsea will be with Sheffield United, Wolves, Liverpool and Norwich. These will give them a good chance to come back on track and brighten their hopes for the top 4. Currently, they lie on the 3rd position with 60 points. Now, on to Manchester United. United is a team that is reborn since the signing of Bruno Fernandes. The Portuguese international and Paul Pogba add an extra dose of creativity in the midfield as the Red Devils have taken 13 points from a possible 15 since the return of Premier League, with 18-year-old Mason Greenwood forming a thrilling front three alongside Anthony Martial and Marcus Rashford. United also has an easy run with Southampton, Crystal Palace and West Ham to come before they face Leicester City in a thrilling final day clash. Now the outsiders: Wolves, Tottenham, Sheffield United and Arsenal. The best hope for them is a place in Europa League and maybe a Champions League spot if a miracle happens, because what separates these 4 as a team is a 7-point gap from the Champions League spot. And now 4 games remaining in the Premier League. Even the pundits fail to predict who will ace to the top 4, who will be the competitor for the 5th spot, who will take Europa League spot and who will walk off disappointed. For all this, we would have to wait and watch for the upcoming thriller matches and nail-biting finishes. Keep in mind, the best kicks are yet to come in the world's toughest league. This video ends here. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.